Okay, good night, everyone. Good night, teacher. It is my pleasure to be here. My name is Luz Lozada. I want to talk about the classroom-based language assessment. I want to answer three questions. The first question is, why do we give an assessment in language classroom? Assessment process can support a student in that students see teacher areas to their education feedback can help focus on better understand requirement. Assessment is one of the most important aspects of language teaching and learning. The students that have any difficulties with their learning will have collect data, assessment, and analyze data. Assessment has two main purposes: to make summative evaluation and to provide instructional feedback to help progress. It isn't all students, and it can help to students and teacher. Another question is, why do we use language assessment? Assessment in the area of language consists of monitoring linguistic communicative learning process and observing the process of constructivist integration, relevant knowledge to achieve optimal use. In this case, we can this process we can to analyze student performance, analyze multiple factor influence the performance in non-linear ways, thus making the field more attractive to the researcher. Take decision. The step is important because suggested that each decision must be positive and focused to improve student learning. In this case, we have the more decision for to motivate to a student. Consequence, it could be rigorous and methodological examination of the direct indesirable impact. It could be to impact positive and negative. Okay. The next question is, why do we link student assessment performance to the beneficial consequence that we want to help bring about? Build a greater confidence by having control over performance result through the active participation of the students. The evaluation becomes relevant and significant. The students with weakness need new ways to assimilate information. We must change his way of teaching, improve students' learning. In this case, we have we need to consider some methodologies of the teaching for to improve of to the students, for to develop their abilities, and now how they can learn better, or use some other methods and consider how and how a way they can be learn better, or using some methods or tools for to develop the class and about them. We need to assessment and for all the students. It could be to the grad help for each of one of them. Okay. It is all for today. Thank you very much. God bless you, everybody.